In today's rapidly changing business environment, companies face increasing pressure to adapt their workforce to meet evolving demands. Whether it's navigating shifts in skill requirements, managing the cost of retraining and hiring, or making difficult decisions about layoffs, organizations must strike a delicate balance between operational needs and employee well-being. In challenging financial times, the stakes are even higher. Analytic Solver equips you with the tools to tackle workforce composition challenges with transparency and precision, leveraging Excel's familiar environment. With Solver, you can make data-driven decisions to reorganize your labor force effectively, minimizing costs and reducing employee turnover while meeting organizational goals. Imagine a company with employees categorized into 3 groups: untrained, moderately trained, and highly trained. Over the next 3 years, a significant shift is needed toward a more skilled workforce. The challenge? Determine how many employees to retrain, hire, or lay off to meet these changing requirements while keeping costs and turnover as low as possible. With Analytic Solver, you define your variables, retraining efforts, new hires and layoffs, and set constraints to align with workforce requirements and budget limits. Solver's optimization engine processes these inputs to deliver an ideal workforce strategy that balances cost with organizational goals. Take control of your workforce composition strategy today. Explore Analytic Solver, join a webinar, or experience it firsthand. Minimize costs, reduce turnover, and optimize your workforce with confidence, all within Excel.